The Meta Quest 2 v42 update is finally here, and it was just released by Meta, and it's adding a few new features and tools to the VR headset. Nothing super exciting, but let's jump in. After applying the Meta Quest 2 v42 update, you'll now have access to the new Move achievements. Meta has implemented a dedicated tab that now allows you to track various milestones within the Oculus Move, such as the number of calories you burned and the number of daily goals you've accomplished. This is in addition to Move Trends, which visualizes your fitness data and allows you to track your progress weekly. Oculus Move will also keep tabs on your peak and average intensity during workouts, giving you a greater understanding of just how hard you are working to burn off that box of Twinkies you ate today. Meanwhile, parental controls have been expanded to disable social features. This includes things like creating and joining parties, sending and receiving chats between your homies, and sharing content on Facebook. Meta says it plans on smoothing out these options further in the future updates and such. So what do you guys think about these little update videos? Do you like them? Let me know down in the comments, and catch you guys in the next one.